On today's episode, we're going to focus on affirmations to unlock daily motivation. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay to the end for our motivational quote. I am motivated. I can stay motivated daily. I wake up driven. People notice my drive. Every day I feel inspired. Today I stay motivated. I am driven. I find motivation easily. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.